frogs, and other things. This is a leaf. This plank of wood that the leaf is sitting on is inanimate. It has been here forever. What are you thinking? Today we will examine wood and other things in this special Inanimate Nature. Mankind can often overlook the beauties of the world. If we look a little bit closer, we can see something hiding amongst them. Something they wouldn't think twice to look at. See? There. Right there. It's the shoe. Marvelous. In all its glory, we can admire its glory. The shoe. Let's take a closer look. Notice how it shines amongst the sun, looking for a mate. Let's not get too close. We don't want to startle him. As he is basking in the sun, a potential mate arrives. It appears he notices her, but she seems uninterested. Oh, it appears that the male shoe is attempting to lure in the new arrival. After much effort, however, he is unsuccessful. After a hard day of attempting mating, our friend the shoe retires to his nest, high in the trees. Remarkable. If we make our way further down the forest to lesser vegetation, we can find our friend, the soccer ball. The soccer ball can inflate 3 times its own size, depending on the terrain it's moving on. The soccer ball can be found in many vegetations, like grass or bushes. The soccer ball often hides in tight crevices from predators. This soccer ball, however, was not so lucky. After several hours, we find our friend the shoe at the watering hole. Here, it appears he is replenishing any liquids he has lost during his sleep. What's this? Another potential mate? Another attempt to lure the female in shoes. A successful attempt. Here we see the male being aggressive during the session as they lock laces. Phenomenal. Moving closer towards civilization, there is another dominant predator, the dumpster. The dumpster can hold 3 times its own size, and even its own weight. To avoid being eaten, the local tribes often give offerings to satisfy its hunger. It seems satisfied, for now. Remarkable. This concludes our special. Thank you for joining us on Inanimate